Welcome to Isifundo 13 of this beginner series. So I'll teach you once again in this lesson. We want to say bring this, bring that, okay? But I'm going to give you new words to use, okay? So let's get started with isitina. So letter isitina means bring a brick, and then letter isitina leso, bring that brick. Remember? Moving on. Letter isitulo, bring a chair. But if you want to be specific to say bring that chair, you're going to say letter isitulo leso. All right. And then isinkwa, if you wanted to say bring that bread, letter isinkwa leso. All right. Each time we put leso there, you are specifying, you are talking about something in particular. Okay. Moving on. Isihlahla. Letter isihlahla means bring a tree. Okay? Letter isihlahla leso, bring that tree. Okay. This is a dress and it's called isigqoko in Ndebele. So if you wanted to say bring that dress, you would say letter isigqoko leso. All right. Letter isigqoko leso. And then we have isicathulo. Bring a shoe. Letter isicathulo. And then bring that shoe is what? Letter isicathulo leso. I hope it's making sense. All right. A fat person is called isidudla in Ndebele. Okay. So if you wanted to say bring a fat person, you would be like letter isidudla. Okay, bring that fat person, letter isidudla leso. Okay, there are instances where people can say this. But yeah, so I hope you noticed a pattern so far. All the words that I gave you today were starting with isi or rather is. Okay, so for all the words starting with is, if you want to then say that thing, that shoe, you say leso. You'll notice that we're using leso for all of the words today. It's because they start with is. Okay, so how would you say bring that lion, given that a lion is called isilwane in Ndebele? Let me know in the comments and let me see you in the next lesson.